Hey, what's up, you guys? It's Mike Nardi here. Can you believe we're already a few months into 2021? It's crazy. Anyways, today I have another Fiverr profile and gig review for you. Today I'm reviewing the profile of a gentleman named Edison. He creates presentations in Canva, and his fun fact is that he has curly hair and people love touching his hair. So Edison, thanks for submitting your profile for review. Let's get into it.
Okay, Edison Ueseda. So starting with picture, nice cool picture. His caption here is, I will work with videos, surveys, and web design for your business. So kind of sounds a bit like a jack of all trades, but we'll see how it goes. You got 5-star rating, over 13 reviews. That's awesome. From Honduras, you've been a member since last January. It's really cool. You respond really quick, and it's been a few months since your last delivery. So hopefully I can give you some tips to help you kind of bump that up so you get some more frequent orders. All right, so down to the description. Hi, I'm a marketing student, and by my personal job background, I can help you making logos that get the right attention. I can write for you creative copies. I also make arts, flyers, menus. I also have made and managed a website for a year. I want to help you grow. Okay, pretty cool. I know what you do based on this, but I'll be honest with you, the grammar and the it just doesn't read smoothly. If you can either do it yourself, I would maybe take some time to kind of polish this up so it reads well, because you do mention that you're a fluent English speaker. So if an English speaker were reading this, like I was kind of stumbling through some of the words, like I ultimately understand what you do, but it's always good to make the best possible first impression. So we are going to go into this gig here. So I will create rocking PowerPoint slides. So let's jump right in. So first off, starting with the title. So if you've watched this channel before, you know I'm all about optimizing and using the most helpful words or phrases in a subject line as possible to both help describe what services you're offering and also help it rank higher. So with PowerPoint slides, I don't know if rocking does anything other than, maybe it helps it differentiate when people actually do see the gig. But PowerPoint slides, I will create PowerPoint slides, or I will create PowerPoint slides for your business. I will create a PowerPoint pitch deck, things like that. Like more specific subject lines are typically things I would go with. But I mean, if this has been working for you, it looks like 42 people have favorited this gig. You do you. So we'll start with the video here and see what that's like, and we'll see what we think. Okay, so after seeing this, I kind of get the whole Rockstar PowerPoint slides. It kind of fits with your branding. I saw you had a slide for pieces, and in the middle it was like Rockstar PowerPoint. So that's really like how you break down in this gig video kind of the benefits and the process of working with you. It makes it really, really clear, really, really straightforward. Like if I was looking to hire you, I would probably have a pretty good feeling that you're pretty process oriented and are going to try to take care of me with the order. So I like that. Going into some of your other pictures. So these, I guess, are sample slides you've done which are really good. For this one, I would maybe just showcase one slide per picture here, because like this just kind of looks not that clean. I think it looks much better if you just kind of take the full screen to showcase a PowerPoint slide. So overall, I think you do pretty good work from what it looks like. So we'll go down to the gig description. All right, so I am here to deliver to you a creative rockstar presentation and reusable PowerPoint slides so you can reuse them over and over again. Deliver includes presentation with creative original styles, editable file for your preference. What do I need from you? Color guidelines, content, logo, images, some ideas you have in mind for the presentation. Okay, so at first glance, what I'd say is, maybe put a little bit more in here. We got X amount of characters and words we can use in our description, and the words we use in our description help us rank on Fiverr search. So by not packing it in with as much relevant information as possible, we might be giving ourselves a little bit of a disadvantage there. Overall, I think it's pretty good. There are a couple typos, so I'm here to deliver to you a creative rockstar presentation. So delivery, it should be delivery includes. couple little hiccups, but overall it's pretty clear. And I know what you do from that description, but my one recommendation would be maybe to put you have a delivery include section and a what I need from you section. Maybe you should put in between these two a section titled why work with me, and then list some of the benefits again of working with you. That you have a process, you take their work, you deliver a rock star presentation, you review it together, and the clients always ends up being happy with your services. So opportunity to kind of just pump that up a little bit more. Looking at your packages here, so basic package with 10 slides, okay. So I guess it's just that the higher you go up, the more slides you get, and you get some charts, graphs, infographics, things like that. So overall, pretty good gig. Obviously, you're able to do what you say you do. You can design some pretty cool looking presentation slides. Subject line seems to work with your gig video here. The only thing I would change is maybe add a little bit more to the description here to kind of maximize the use of the space there, to make sure you're doing everything you can to help convince a buyer to buy once they find their way to your profile here, and also to make sure you're doing everything you can to help yourself rank as highly as possible in Fiverr search. But overall, good job. Thanks for submitting your gig, and yeah, back to the video.
All right, that's it. Thank you so much for submitting this. I hope this was helpful to both you and anyone else watching this video. So if you're new here, make sure you're liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.